it's evidentiary, right? Photography is something grounded. It's something you can measure. It's something you can quantify. So this is a unique time when media was really used to be fitting with anthropological theory. So in my little graphic here we have, so the conception of the camera is like this. So if, at the turn of the century, the conception of the camera is of it as a physical recording device, as something that's based on reproducibility, the materiality, the evidentiary nature of it. That it's this kind of verisimilitude where it's just this exact copy. Anthropology at the time was also interested in this, about how do we quantify people? How do we put them into these ordered frames? So this was a unique time when both anthropology and photography, or at least the conceptions of them, were very fitting. So this is an example of an 1892 basic kind of travel guide for anthropology. And anthropology is a diverse term, so I'll just break it down really quick. It's mostly the study of humans and culture, and that's changed a lot through the 20th century. Archaeology fits within that. I do sociocultural anthropology, linguistics fits within that, biological anthropology as well. So when I say anthropology, I'm talking about different kind of phases in it at the time. So in the early 20th century and in the 19th century, it's mostly physical anthropology. Pretty much how do human beings work and function? And so this is a common travel kind of guide that was taken by anthropologists. And as you can see, there's a ruler that's already on the guide. This ruler is not for measuring plant life. This ruler is for measuring people. And this ruler is for measuring traits. And you would see things like the encouragement of certain tools, sketchings, and even going to the trouble of printing color models for racial typology for skin color and eye color. Because this was the thrust, was how can we create a systematized prejudice, right, through quote-unquote scientific means, which at the time was quantitative data. So, for example, 1840